get up first. Come on. Crumb. Ow, you brat. Come on, get up. Ready? Crumb, sit. Bellevue, sit. Sit, Crumb.
Probably can't hear you. There you go. Oh, he's going to give you his paw. Tell him to sit again.
Bellevue, come here, sit. Sit. Good boy.
Now teach him not to grab. Crummy wants to shake hands.
Can you do that? No.
I think he might. Try him.
Sit.
Because he gives his paw a lot. I can't see him, though.
Give me your paw. Shake. No.
He puts his paw up like he's going to.
No, he's going to jump. Sit. Here, roll over. Give me your
See?
paw. Shake. No, see what? Watch Crumb. Oh. Oh. Shake.
Now he just did like 3 times.
Oh. Go ahead, give me your paw quick.
You better give Crumb one too.
Shake. Give me your paw. Here, Crumb. Ow!